Hey everyone, this is Dalton Grados with Grados Capital coming to you with a market recap for today, September 9th, 2020. So, I'm going to go over a quick market recap of what's been happening in the past week, what I'm seeing today, as well as the positions I've taken and where I expect the market to go. So, if you were trading in the market last week, you know that towards the end of the week we saw a big sell-off on Thursday and Friday, and we broke some key support levels. In my opinion, this was much needed because before that, we were just hitting all-time highs every single day. And as a trader, as an investor, and the other investors in my group that I trade with and chat with, we were all like, this can't just keep happening every day. It's a bubble that needs to, well, quite frankly, needs to pop, but no, the Fed's not going to let it pop, but it needs to at least pull back. So that's what we saw Thursday, Friday. We had the long weekend. Monday, stock market was closed. The rest of the world was open, of course, because Labor Day is just an American holiday. We saw markets go sink a little bit lower. And then yesterday, we saw pretty much just a flat market. And today we're seeing it come back up a little bit. So the positions that I took today are I got into an Apple 130 call for next week. 9/18 is the expiration date. I trade options, by the way. That's one thing you'll learn from following this channel. I'm an options trader. So a call on Apple expiring on the 18th for a strike price of 130. I also got into an NVIDIA 600 call for the 18th. And that's the only thing I'm holding right now is just those two. One thing I learned in the month of July, I learned the hard way, is that when the markets are uncertain like this and when they're choppy, that you need to get longer expiration dates on your contracts. You can either do one of two things. You can do scalping, which I don't like scalping very much, or you need to do longer term swings. Anything in between might not work out too well for you when the market's choppy like it is. But I'm pretty bullish moving forward. I think we really needed this pullback. If you look at the charts, if you look at the S&P, you look at the NASDAQ, both bounced today right off the 50 EMA on the daily chart. So that's important. We might see a retesting of the 50 EMA. So I don't expect us to just go straight up. We might come back down and retest that 50 EMA, but ultimately I'm bullish moving into the end of this week and into next week. I follow Gregory Mannarino's channel as well, and he sent out a newsletter today. And with his friends over in Wall Street, they're buying. Anytime there's a dip in the market, big money is buying. You can guarantee it. That's actually why I bought my Apple 130 call. As soon as it was actually after I bought that, I saw on my Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, that's the platform I use, Thinkorswim, there was a lot of volume on the 130 call. And then I got on my Twitter, I follow a page called Options Flow. You can see these sweeps that come in. And right after I bought it, I saw there was tons of money coming in on that 130 call for Apple because I do think that it could be in the money next week. I think we saw Apple close right around 117, 118 today. Forgive me, I didn't check the exact number before I made this video here. But anyway, I think we could see Apple 130 in the money next week. And NVIDIA broke 500 today and is holding well above 500, which I like to see. So that's it for today, September 9th. And join me. I don't know if I'm going to do this every single day. We'll see what happens. But join me here on the Grados Capital YouTube channel for more of these market updates. And hey, let's make this interactive. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you're seeing in the markets, what you're following. And, we all become better traders together. That's the thing I love. See, I come from a sales background. And now I'm in options trading. The thing I love so much about trading is that we can all trade together and there's no competition amongst us. Actually, it's even better the more volume we have, the more traders we have moving the markets. So let's all get better together. And thanks for watching.